Hello friends, so let's talk about the Vlookup function and how to use it. So we have a bunch of data from A column to H column, which is like first name, last name, gender, country, age, like that. So using this, we need to get the data of column age using the first name, column first name. So here, so in this we need to get the data from that column. So we can just copy and paste it if the length of the data is less. But if it is having more data, then it will be very difficult. So here we use the VLOOKUP function. So how to use a VLOOKUP function is equal to VLOOKUP, and then what is that? Lookup value. Lookup value is something where we are looking for. So select the very next column, that K column, that is K2, comma. Then what is that? Table array. Table array, when we are selecting it, we have to keep it in mind. We have to select it from the first name column itself, because using that first name column we are searching the data. So till end we will select it, comma, and then column index number. Column index number is which column we want the data. So it is like 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be fifth column. So comma 5, comma. So next comes whether we need the approximate match or the exact match. So we need the exact match, so we can select it false. So just select the false from there and then close the bracket, enter. So the value has been given over here. So now just click and drop it. So we will get the entire full data using this function. So this is the easy way to handle such cases in Excel. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe and please keep supporting. Thank you.